The golden waves of corn stretching across the horizon, a beautiful sight, but also a race against time. Every autumn, farmers face the challenge of harvesting their corn efficiently, maximizing yield while minimizing waste. But which machine reigns supreme in this annual showdown? Today, we put the heavyweights to the test: John Deere versus Claas Jaguar, and we'll throw in some other contenders for good measure. Buckle up, farmers and future farmers, because we're about to dive into the world of corn harvesting machines. The champs, John Deere versus Claas Jaguar. These two titans of agricultural machinery are household names among farmers. Let's break down their strengths and weaknesses. The John Deere 700 series is a champion in the corn harvesting world, renowned for its muscle and reliability. These American-made machines pack a powerful punch, featuring engines ranging from 339 to 625 horsepower, allowing them to tackle even the toughest fields with ease. John Deere prioritizes operator comfort, equipping the S700 series with spacious, user-friendly cabs. Imagine long harvesting days spent in a cool, comfortable environment, with all the controls conveniently placed at your fingertips. This translates to increased productivity and less operator fatigue. But power and comfort aren't the whole story. The S700 series boasts a best-in-class grain handling system that minimizes kernel cracking and ensures a clean harvest. Less cracked corn means less waste and more profit in your pocket. John Deere didn't skimp on technology either. These harvesters are packed with features to optimize performance, like the Combine Advisor system that automatically adjusts settings based on field conditions. While the price tag might be steeper compared to some competitors, the S700 series is a proven investment. Its durability, efficiency, and innovative features make it a top choice for farmers who demand the best from their harvesting equipment. Claas Jaguar. Hailing from Germany, Claas Jaguars have carved a niche as the efficiency champions in the corn harvesting arena. These European machines are known for their cutting-edge technology that optimizes every step of the harvest process. One of their key strengths is the intelligent cutting system. Claas Jaguars can adjust their cutting technique on the fly, adapting to different crop conditions and maximizing yield. This translates to cleaner cuts, less waste, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage. Claas Jaguars are designed to get the most out of every drop of fuel, keeping your operating costs down. For farmers working on large fields or with tight margins, this can be a game changer. While Claas Jaguars might have a slight learning curve compared to some competitors, the payoff can be significant. The user interface is still user-friendly, and the benefits in terms of efficiency and fuel economy often outweigh the initial learning investment. If you're a cost-conscious farmer looking for a technologically advanced machine that prioritizes efficiency, then the Claas Jaguar deserves a serious look. Remember, it's not just about raw power, it's about getting the most out of your harvest, and Claas Jaguars excel at doing just that. Exploring other harvester options. John Deere and Claas might be the big names, but there are other excellent options available. New Holland FR Series. Don't underestimate the New Holland FR Series when it comes to corn harvesting. These machines are known for their user-friendliness, making them a great choice for operators of all experience levels. New Holland offers a range of FR models to fit various needs and budgets. Whether you have a sprawling field or navigate hillier terrain, there's an FR harvester perfectly suited for your operation. New Holland prioritizes operator comfort in their FR series design. The spacious cab minimizes fatigue during long harvesting days, while intuitive controls keep you in control. But the FR series isn't all about comfort, it packs a punch when it comes to performance. These harvesters boast excellent processing capabilities, ensuring a clean and efficient harvest with minimal kernel damage. New Holland's innovative Veriflow system allows you to adjust the crop flow depending on the harvest conditions, maximizing efficiency for all types of corn. So, if you're looking for a harvester that's easy to use, comfortable to operate, and delivers top-notch performance, the New Holland FR series is definitely worth considering. Case IH Axial Flow Series. Case IH throws their hat into the corn harvesting ring with the innovative Axial Flow series. These machines stand out for their unique single rotor design. Unlike traditional combines that use a drum and straw walker system, the Axial Flow relies on a single rotor for threshing and separation. This design is praised for its efficiency and gentle handling of grain, minimizing cracked kernels and maximizing grain quality. Case IH offers various Axial Flow models within the 150 and 250 series, catering to different farm sizes and needs. The 150 series is known for its simplicity and reliability, perfect for owner-operators or smaller farms. The 250 series takes things up a notch with features like a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for seamless operation and exceptional control. This series also boasts impressive horsepower thanks to fuel-efficient Case IH FPT engines, allowing you to tackle demanding fields with ease. If you're looking for a harvester that prioritizes efficiency, gentle grain handling, and innovative design, the Case IH Axial Flow series is definitely worth considering. With its range of models and capabilities, there's a good chance you'll find the perfect fit for your corn harvesting needs. Massey Ferguson Activa Series. Don't underestimate the Massey Ferguson Activa series when it comes to corn harvesting. This mid-range contender might surprise you. Massey Ferguson prioritizes offering a good balance between performance and affordability, making the Activa series an attractive option for cost-conscious farmers. Activa machines come in various models to suit different needs. While they might not boast the sheer power of some top-tier harvesters, they offer enough muscle to tackle most cornfields efficiently. Massey Ferguson is known for its user-friendly designs, and the Activa series is no exception. Operators will appreciate the comfortable cab and intuitive controls. An important feature of the Activa series is its versatility. It can handle a variety of corn varieties and conditions. The threshing system is designed to minimize grain cracking, ensuring a clean harvest. While some high-end features might be missing, the Activa series offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and budget-friendly harvester, the Massey Ferguson Activa series deserves a spot on your short list. Picking your perfect match. Choosing the right harvester isn't just about brand loyalty. Here are some key factors to consider. The size and layout of your fields play a crucial role in choosing the right corn harvester. Here's how. If you have expansive flat fields, a larger harvester with higher horsepower might be your best bet. These machines can cover more ground quickly, maximizing your harvesting efficiency. Look for features like wide cutting headers and high-capacity grain tanks to minimize stopping and maximize productivity. Smaller fields or hilly terrain. For smaller fields or areas with slopes and obstacles, maneuverability becomes more important. A smaller, more agile harvester will be easier to navigate tight corners and uneven terrain. Features like all-wheel drive and tight turning radius will be beneficial. Consider row crop harvesters specifically designed for these conditions. And think about the distance from your fields to grain storage facilities. If travel distances are significant, a harvester with a larger grain tank can minimize the need for frequent unloading, saving time and fuel. Corn variety and moisture level. The type of corn you grow and its moisture content at harvest time significantly impact your choice of harvester. There are many varieties of corn, each with unique characteristics. Some varieties require specific cutting techniques for optimal results. For instance, certain types of silage corn might need a different processing method than grain corn. Research the specific needs of your corn variety and choose a harvester with features that cater to those needs. This might include different cutting head options or adjustable processing settings. The ideal moisture content for harvesting corn varies depending on your storage plans. Grain destined for drying needs to be harvested at a lower moisture level than corn intended for immediate use as silage. A harvester with grain moisture sensors can help you determine the optimal harvest time and adjust settings accordingly. Modern harvesters often offer features like kernel processors that can adjust corn kernel size based on moisture content, ensuring efficient processing and storage. Let's talk money. Corn harvesters are significant investments, ranging from six figures to well over $1 million depending on the brand, size, and features. While John Deere and Claas might be top contenders, they also come with a premium price tag. Don't be discouraged. Explore financing options and consider pre-owned machines. New Holland and Case IH offer excellent mid-range options, while Massey Ferguson provides a budget-friendly choice. Ultimately, the best harvester fits your needs and your wallet. Set a realistic budget, research financing options, and prioritize features over brand names to find your perfect harvesting match. Modern corn harvesters are marvels of engineering, packed with technology that can significantly improve your harvest efficiency and grain quality. Here's a breakdown of some key tech features to consider. Yield monitors. These real-time data collectors track corn yield across different sections of your field. This allows you to identify areas of low productivity and adjust your farming practices for future seasons. Auto steering systems. Take the guesswork out of steering straight lines. Auto steering utilizes GPS technology to guide your harvester precisely, maximizing coverage and minimizing overlap. Grain quality sensors. These sensors monitor moisture content and kernel integrity as the corn travels through the harvester. This allows you to make adjustments to optimize drying and minimize grain damage. Telematics systems. These advanced systems provide remote monitoring capabilities, track your harvester's location, performance data, and even receive fault alerts in real time, allowing you to proactively address any issues. Precision cutting systems. Advanced cutting heads can automatically adjust settings based on crop conditions. This ensures a clean cut and minimizes losses due to shattered kernels or uneven harvesting. Technology can be a game changer in the field. Carefully evaluate which features will provide the most benefit for your operation and choose a harvester that offers the level of technological sophistication you need. Remember, the right technology can boost your efficiency, improve grain quality, and ultimately increase your profitability. There's no silver bullet when it comes to corn harvesters. The ideal machine depends heavily on your unique agricultural operation. Consider your field size and terrain. For vast, flat fields, a larger, more powerful harvester might be the way to go. For smaller fields with slopes, a more maneuverable option might be better suited. The type of corn you grow also plays a role. Different varieties have specific harvesting requirements, and some harvesters excel at handling certain types of corn better than others. Don't forget about the practicalities. Your budget is a major factor. Harvesters are significant investments, so it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your financial resources. Explore financing options offered by dealerships to make the best financial decision. Technology is another key consideration. Modern harvesters boast features like yield monitors and auto steering, but these bells and whistles come at a cost. Decide which features are most important for your operation and choose a harvester that offers the best bang for your buck. Ultimately, the best corn harvester is the one that perfectly complements your farm's needs and maximizes your harvest efficiency. Do your research, compare models based on your specific requirements, and don't hesitate to consult with experienced farmers or agricultural equipment dealers for guidance. With the right machine by your side, you'll be well on your way to conquering the corn harvest and bringing in a bountiful yield. Once you have your harvester, here are some tips to get the most out of your corn harvest. Proper machine maintenance is often the unsung hero of harvest season. While the powerful engine and innovative features might grab the spotlight, a well-maintained harvester is the foundation for a smooth and successful operation. Think of it like a marathon runner. Just like a runner needs to be in peak physical condition to perform their best, your harvester needs to be in top mechanical shape to tackle the demanding harvest season. Regular maintenance involves a variety of tasks, from checking fluid levels and filters to inspecting belts, chains, and other critical components. Consult your harvester's operator manual for a detailed maintenance schedule. Don't neglect simple tasks like greasing fittings and keeping the machine clean. These seemingly minor actions can prevent major breakdowns down the road. By following a regular maintenance schedule, you can identify and address potential problems before they snowball into costly repairs. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also minimizes downtime during the crucial harvest window. Remember, a well-maintained harvester is a reliable harvester, and a reliable harvester is key to bringing in your corn efficiently and profitably. They might not be the flashiest part of your harvester, but sharp cutting heads play a critical role in a successful corn harvest. Dull blades can wreak havoc in several ways. Firstly, they struggle to cleanly sever the stalks, leading to ragged cuts and potential stalk breakage. This not only reduces harvest efficiency, but can also leave behind unwanted debris that can clog the harvester and impact grain quality. Secondly, dull blades can damage the kernels themselves. Think about it. A dull knife tears through food, while a sharp one creates a clean cut. The same principle applies to corn kernels. Dull blades can crack or crush the kernels, reducing their value and potentially leading to spoilage during storage. Sharpening your cutting heads regularly is an essential part of pre-harvest maintenance. Most manufacturers recommend sharpening them after every 200-300 acres harvested. This ensures your blades stay razor sharp, delivering clean cuts, minimizing kernel damage, and maximizing your harvest efficiency. Remember, sharp cutting heads are a farmer's secret weapon for a smooth and successful harvest. A successful corn harvest starts long before the harvester even rolls into the field. Proper field preparation is the foundation for a smooth and efficient operation. Here's why. Imagine navigating a bumpy, uneven road. It wouldn't be a pleasant experience, would it? The same applies to your harvester. Rough, poorly conditioned soil creates challenges for your machine. It can lead to uneven cutting heights, increased wear and tear on the harvester, and even potential breakdowns. The key is to create a smooth, level playing field for your harvester. Tilling and conditioning the soil beforehand ensures a consistent cutting plane for clean harvesting. Proper field preparation also allows your harvester to operate more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and minimizing downtime. Think of it as setting the stage for a flawless performance. By taking the time to prepare your field, you're creating the optimal conditions for your harvester to shine. This translates to a faster harvest, a cleaner crop, and ultimately, a more profitable season for you. Harvest at the right moisture level. The timing of your corn harvest hinges on a delicate balance: moisture content. Corn kernels are like tiny balloons filled with starch and water. When the moisture level is too high, above 30%, the kernels are plump but fragile. Harvesting at this stage can lead to cracked kernels, reduced yield, and increased risk of spoilage during storage. On the other hand, if you wait too long and the moisture level dips below 15%, the kernels become dry and hard. While this reduces storage concerns, it can also lead to field losses as kernels become brittle and detach from the cob prematurely. Additionally, very dry corn requires less energy to dry after harvest, but it can also mean sacrificing some potential yield and grain quality. The sweet spot lies between 15.5% and 18.5% moisture content. At this stage, the kernels are mature and dry enough for safe storage, but still retain some moisture, which translates to better feed value for livestock and potentially higher market prices. However, achieving this perfect timing isn't always straightforward. Weather conditions can significantly impact corn drying rates. A sudden cold snap can slow down moisture loss, while hot, dry weather can accelerate it. Farmers need to be vigilant, monitoring moisture levels closely and factoring in weather forecasts to determine the optimal harvest window. By striking the right balance between moisture content and harvest timing, farmers can maximize their yield, minimize storage costs, and ensure the quality of their corn crop. The corn harvesting season is a test of skill and technology. By choosing the right machine and implementing smart harvesting practices, you can ensure a successful yield and maximize your profits. So, research, compare, and choose the harvester that best suits your needs. Remember, a happy harvester makes for a happy farmer, and a happy farmer leads to a bountiful harvest. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.